Hello guys, welcome back to our channel NS Learning. So in this video we are going to learn 7th standard mathematics CBSE board chapter number 12 algebraic expression. So in the introduction part, variable. Now we know very well what a variable is. We use letter X, Y, L, M, etc. to denote variables. It means we can use alphabet from A to Z, anyone, for denoting a variable. A variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed. On the other hand, a constant has fixed values. For an example, 4, 100, minus 17, minus 5, etc. So now we are going to learn how to find the expression. So look at the following expressions. The expression x square is obtained by multiplying the variable by itself. For an example, how to find the x square? See, x into x. If we multiply the same variable with the same, we get x square. Like 4 square, how to get the 4 square? It means we multiply 4 with 4, then we get 4 square. 4 square means we find the square of 4, that is 16. If we multiply 4 with 4, again we get 16. Next expression, that is 2y square. It means 2 into y into y. And the third one, 3x square minus 5 means 3 into. Now again we are going to factorize the x square. It means x variable with power 2, x into x minus 5. As you can see, 5 minus 5 is constant term. So it has fixed value. No need to factorize the number. The third one and the fourth one is 4xy plus 7. 4 into x into y plus 7. I hope you understand how to find the expression by using variable and constant term. Terms of an expression. Consider the expression 4x plus 5. In forming this expression, we first form 4x. What we form? First we form 4x. Then we add 5 on it. Similarly, we consider the expression 3x square plus 7y. Separately, we form first expression, that is 3x square. We form this, then the other expression, the other term 7y. So separately we find 3 into x into x. It means the product of 3 with the product of x into x means the product of 3 into the second term, the product of x into x, plus 7 into y. I hope you understand the terms of an expressions. So now we are going to move on factors of a term. Factors of a term. we saw the above factors of a term. We saw above that the expression 4x square minus 3xy consists of two terms. The first one is 4x square is the product of 4 into x into x, and the other one is minus 3 into x into y. So we can write as expression 4x square minus 3xy in the form of term. What is term? The term is first term 4x square and the second term is minus 3xy, and the factor of the first term is 4 into x, and the factor of the second term is minus 3xy. Similarly, we can take more examples. The example is 5x plus 5xy plus 10, and the first term is 5xy and the second term is 10, and factor of first term is, it has three factors, 5xy, and in the second term only one constant term. We will take more examples. 8y plus 3x square, and first term is 8y and the second term is 3x square. As you can see, in the first term two factors, one numerical factor, numerical coefficient, and other one is variable. And in the second term there are three factors. First one is numerical coefficient, it means coefficient, and second one is the product of 2x. The product of x means x into x. I hope you understand. If the expression is given, what is term and what is coefficient, what is variable, and what are the factors of a given expression. So for more understanding, we are going to take some solved examples from textbook. What is coefficient? So identifying the following expressions, terms which are not constants, give their numerical coefficients. And the solution is question number 1, xy plus 4. Here in the first term xy, which is not a constant, so ये constant नहीं है. So what we take? If constant is not there, it means if any variable, any number always multiply with 1, so here the numerical coefficient is 1. In the second example, 13 minus y square, a term which is not a constant, that is minus y square. As I already explained you, if any coefficient is not given, it means the variable is always multiply with 1, but here negative sign is there. So it means minus 1 is the numerical coefficient. So third example, 13 minus y plus 5y square. So term which is not a constant, that is minus y plus 5y square. So minus y means y has coefficient minus 1, and y square, it has coefficient 5. Coefficient means the numerical coefficient, it is also says that coefficient. In the fourth example, 4p square q minus 3pq square plus 5. So again first we write the term which is not a constant is 4p square q minus 3pq square. In p square q, 4 is the multiplicative term, that is 4 means numerical coefficient, and minus 3 is numerical coefficient in the second term. I hope you understand what is coefficient or what is numerical coefficient. Now we will move on second example. What are the coefficients of x in the following expressions? It means we are going to find the particular coefficient of x variable. And solution is already given. First expression 4x minus 3y. Here the term with x factor, that is 4x, and 4 is the coefficient of x. Second example 8 minus x plus y. Here the term with factor x is minus x. It means a numerical coefficient is minus 1. Third example y square x minus y. Again we choose first term because it has factor x. Then what is the coefficient of x? Here we are not going to take any numerical coefficient, but we take x square because factor of x has coefficient y square. So we will write y square. I hope you understand how to find the factors of the given term.